Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to merge two photos in one Leonardo AI. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to sign up and create an account on Leonardo AI. Once you have your account already, go and look for Canvas editor. So this is what it looks like. Now, what we're going to do here is to import an image from our computer. This image are two different images, of course. So I have here my first image. Actually, you can resize this one. You just have to simply resize the picture, okay? And then add another picture right here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And what we're going to do now is to simply erase some parts of the picture to see how this Leonardo AI worked. So let me erase this part right here, erase this part right here, but actually everything is up to you. Suppose that these are, you know, not fixed or not okay pictures, and the pictures look like this. So how will Leonardo AI fix this one? So once done, what you want to do is to, choose for image dimension. So I want to choose this 1024, 768, and put this two pictures here. Okay. So now let's do and create some prompts. So for me, I chose this background sea clouds. And once you have it created or think of your prompts, then you can go to this area right here. You can change the settings, but I just want to remain it something like that for number of images, for dimensions, like what I've said earlier, 10, 24, 7, 6, 8. And let's go to prompts. So once you're okay with everything, let's tap generate and let's see what will be the outcome or the result. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and here it is. Now to change or to select for the good result, you just have to tap this arrow right here. You have four choices. Okay, so everything is up to you. Once you've selected the best one, all you have to do is to click accept and download the image. And that's it. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.